Yeah, I think she was messing with me, son. Son, why you keep doing all that swatting? Too many bugs out here. You forgot your off. You must forgot. It's like we are. You must forgot. It's like we out here camping right now.
I think a bug just crawled my eye down.
Yeah, it probably did. It happens to me quite often when I'm out in the woods. Hey, that lady told us if we could start these tractors up, we could have them. She was messing with me. They got flats all on the tires. Then this one up there don't even got no front tires. Yeah, she was messing with me. And I thought we was about to be riding around on some free tractors. Some old free farm tractors. Hey, man, let's go back in this barn real quick. Let's get learning with Landon out of these woods. And let's get them into the barn real quick. We're going into our barn where we could sleep 10 people, and it's going to be $20 extra per person. We in our barn. I'm talking about, this is like...
My phone died, so I can't call the video right now.
Yeah, then we don't get no signal either out here. This barn is like the Ritz-Carlton of hotels and barns. Right now, we could be sleeping in a tent right now out in the woods, but we are in this luxury barn. He got his gloves. Look at this big bench table.
Guys, you've never seen my gloves before on my YouTube channel, but
oh, he got his gloves. He got his gloves. He got his dirt bike helmet. It's about to go down. I just bought me some gloves. 2 black and red gloves.
This eye feel better now. Like better than this eye because the bug crawling this eye.
Yeah, it's out of it now, though. It's out of it now. That bug is long gone. Look at this, guys. We got a big picnic table in here, which is amazing. Learning with Landon just got done eating a sandwich. We got us a nice TV over here. We got direct TV. Out in the woods, I can't even get any reception on my cell phone right now. Take you guys for a tour. We got 1 bedroom, but I don't think we're gonna sleep down in this bedroom right here. Got a toilet in there, which is amazing. Learning with Landon got his glove on right now. Taking these guys for a tour soon. Real quick, show them on the bottom. We got a couch over here, which is amazing. Look at this, guys. We got a cooler. We got Gatorade, water, hot dogs, lunch meat, pineapple. We got some frozen meals. Learning with Landon just ate him some breakfast food. He's out here. Look at him. He ready for tomorrow. Look at him. He got his helmet on and everything. Look at him. He's getting ready. Got some Gatorades, fruit snacks, cereal, bowls, bread, chips. I think we're gonna be all right, son, while we out here. I think we're gonna be all right. Take you guys to the amazing patio with the amazing view out here. Look at this patio. Amazing. With an amazing view of the dirt bike track. Right in our backyard. Right in our backyard, guys. This is amazing. Learning with Landon is having an experience of a lifetime right now.
I'm so mad today.
Why?
Because I wanted to ride that 4-wheeler today.
You want to ride the 4-wheeler today? We're going to ride it in the morning. You got the hiccups now? Dang, everything going wrong with you today. Now I'm going to take these guys upstairs.
I am so mad because I couldn't even drive around with no circle by our house. Just do some donuts.
And do some donuts where?
Yeah, it's like right there.
Out here? Oh, yeah. Well, just wait till tomorrow, man. I'm telling you. We about to have some fun today. We're about to relax for the rest of the night. And we're going to prepare for in the morning. I'm gonna take them upstairs, son. We're going upstairs for the tour. We're gonna finish the tour off upstairs where you have 2 bunk beds. I'm talking about a good amount of space, guys. Good amount of space. Got the 4-wheeler out there on the back of the truck. And we got the dirt bike track just right there. Talking about perfect location for an outdoor adventure. We got a sink right here, guys. See that? We got the shower in here. One thing about this shower ain't getting hot. I need this shower to get hot. Got another bathroom, toilet in there. We got the master bedroom in here with an amazing view of the dirt bike track. Master bedroom. It looked like somebody shot the window with a BB gun or something.
What?
Right here, in the window crack. Like somebody shot it with a BB. Like somebody shot it with a BB gun or something.
It's too old, so that's why the glass about to be broken.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And this was me and learning with Landon's room. I think this is where we're going to be. I'm going to be right here. I'm going to be on the bottom. You sleeping on the top? Yeah. All right.
I'm going to be like this.
Yeah. You going to sleep with your helmet on?
No.
Oh, man. I'm telling you. This guy is so excited to be riding a gas 4-wheeler and a gas dirt bike tomorrow. He been riding that electric dirt bike for too long. Look at him. He is excited. He's ready to go to sleep.
My eyes is hurting now. That's why I think the boat's still inside.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to wash it out in a minute.
What?
We're going to get a towel. Huh?
No, I put soap in my eyes.
Nah, we're going to get a towel and we just going to wash your eye out. Come on. Just go grab a towel real quick and just wash your eye out. Because sometimes them bugs like to fly in your eyes. Those little gnats and mosquitoes and stuff. All right, guys. This is going to conclude the tour of our barn. Right now, we are in Union Point, Georgia, which is about an hour east of Atlanta, at a well-known dirt bike resort. And it's about over 2,000 acres here, guys. And it's not busy this week either. We're here on a Tuesday through Saturday, and it's not busy. And I think this is going to be an amazing time to teach my son how to ride that 4-wheeler back there. And we're going to rent some dirt bikes from the dirt bike resort in the morning. This is about to be awesome, guys. Stay tuned.